I'm a rock star. Every day I rock hard. I'm a motherfucking rock star. Every day I rock hard. I'm a rock star.
Hi Rockstars, I'm Aly, your RockStar BarGirl. I wanted to first start off by saying thank you, thank you, thank you. To those of you who have been watching my last couple of videos, you know that I just launched my website, therockstarbargirl.com, where I am going to be offering a bartending masterclass. I'm so excited about this masterclass. It's like, honestly, years in the making. It's something I've wanted to do for a really long time. I have gotten messages and DMs from some of you asking to come bartend with me, shadow me at work, or come take private classes with me. And I've been really trying to figure out a way to teach you guys in a more like direct and specific way than YouTube offers. And I'm so excited because I found my platform, Thinkific, and they are an online course site, and I decided to sign up with them and get my course going, and it's underway, and it is so much work pulling all of this together because I'm really trying to recreate everything that you would get in a bartending school and then some in an online format that you guys can use to learn really easily and conveniently at home. And that's really challenging, but I'm really excited to be working on it. And I thought it would be a good idea for me really quickly just to kind of explain to you guys how the masterclass and the courses work so that you're not confused or have any questions. So if you go to therockstarbargirl.com, you will see that course 1, it's called Fundamentals Every Bartender Must Know, is already available for pre-sale. The masterclass is going to be 5 courses, each of which is going to have 5 to 6 lessons. Each of those lessons will come with downloadable class notes, PDF files, training materials, and each lesson will also come with quizzes and assignments and tests designed to get you ready for working in the real world, even if you've never worked in hospitality before. I really want everyone who's already subscribed to me on YouTube or been following me on Instagram to be able to enroll for the course for this special price, because I just feel like, you know, you guys have been watching my videos for a really long time, and I just wanted to make sure that that was as easy as possible for you guys. So it is now 50% off. It's $175 for the entire course, all 8 lessons, and it will go up to $350 when the course actually launches. Courses 2, 3, 4, and 5 will come out shortly after course 1, and those courses will get even more in depth with drink recipes and spirits knowledge. So this is going to be a really comprehensive package. If you take all 5 courses in the masterclass, you will have everything you need to go out there and get a rockstar bartending job. But the great news is because the masterclass is broken down into courses, you can choose to simply enroll in the ones that are best for you. So head on over to therockstarbargirl.com, sign up for the course, pre-enroll for $175, and secure your spot in the course for that price. If you have any questions about how the masterclass is going to work, what's going to be coming up in the following courses, or just anything related to the website or the course or my services, then please shoot me an email. You can email me at ally.kravitz@therockstarbargirl.com. You can DM me on Instagram at rockstar_bargirl, or you can just leave me a comment or question down below. So again, thank you guys so much for checking out this video and for pre-enrolling and for heading over to therockstarbargirl.com. I am so excited to help you get your next rockstar bartending job. Bye, Rockstars.
Rockstar.